Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low Flow Nose back at you with another tech take. And today, my friends, we're taking a look at the Beamo Real Creator Kit, a creator kit that comes with a tripod with stand, a key light, and a mini shotgun microphone for your smartphone. So let's get straight into the unboxing. We'll do a genuine unboxing of this, and I'll give you my first impressions and quick review of this while also setting it up. So let's get straight to it. All right. So here we go. Bring it open. Of course, you have your instructions for your shotgun microphone, your instructions for your key light, and of course, your tripod as well. Let's first take a look at the tripod. See right here, your normal JOBY tripod that you can wrap this around anything and of course, secure it and probably hang it from a certain spot. Maybe like a light stand or maybe a tree branch or whatever, you can use that. And if you press right here, this will rotate this so you can actually get it, let go, and it locks, which is actually pretty cool, really convenient and quick. Of course, we have our stand as well, so we'll go ahead and we'll take this and we'll wrap it right here, or we'll screw it on right here, getting it ready for our phone. And of course, we can either do it either landscape or portrait mode like that, depending on how you want to do this. Of course, you take your microphone that you have here and I'll just go ahead and plug this in. Now, as you can see, it comes with a dead cat. Of course, you know, with dead cats, you want to use dead cats on the outside. Inside, you don't need it because you don't have any wind competing with your microphone. So for now, we're just going to leave this off. What other accessories we have is this, our key light. We'll go ahead and we'll turn it. We turn on it here so you can we have it going here. If you just click it, it'll turn it on. And of course, you go all the way to the right, it's super bright, and you can go to the left to make it dim and then bright again. Now, if you want to change the different color temperature fit, you have 3 different color temperatures. You have super tungsten right here. You can press again here. We have daylight, and then we have, well, super daylight, more of kind of like a bluish color right here. So depending on the situation you're in, you need the white balance, get the tungsten in, the middle day, or complete blue light. So you can actually match your lighting. All right, and of course, you can put this here to actually screw it onto the side, which we will find where that goes in a second. It's gonna slide on the top. All right, and what else do we have here? Other accessories, we'll put that to the side. We have a bag to hold all of that, and of course, as far as inside, our accessories are, okay, so we have a USB-C to USB-A cable to charge our light. We'll put that to the side. And then you have your 3.5 millimeter stereo to stereo for that right there. And of course, and this is more like your smartphone cord, smartphone attachment right here. And of course, that your stereo to actually go straight into the microphone. All right, so let's set this up. I've already got this there. I'm gonna take my phone, I'm gonna put it right here I'm gonna set up like that. And now I have the choice to either put on the top or the bottom. So I guess for this case, I'm gonna turn it to the side. I'm gonna go for portrait mode so I can have there's really no, I guess right now it's just up to your preference. So I'll put the microphone here to the side, and then I'll take my light. And of course we can see our charging port for our light there as well. So I'm gonna take this all the way off because since I'm putting on my tripod, it looks like I can take this off and slide it off. And take that off, and now I'm going to put it back in, but now I'm going to slide this in here so I can actually secure it to both the holder and the phone as well at the same time. So okay, I'll go ahead and I'll screw that in, make sure it's tight on the bottom there, then I'll bring that here so I can tighten up on the actual tripod. I will secure it right here. Let's turn the light off. And let's now connect our audio cord. Now, since I'm using an iPhone, the iPhone doesn't have the stereo jacks, as you can see here. So I've got to use the iPhone adapter for this case. And I'll put the three lines into the adapter. I'll plug that here into the bottom. Make sure I give myself some space. And I'll plug it to the back of my microphone. And once it's connected, I just brought up my audio app so I can make sure that the microphone is actually turned in. And let's go straight to video recording. So I'm going to set this up. All right, and here we go. This is what it looks and sound like using our Beamo Reel Creator Kit. I got to tell you, it's giving you everything that you need to actually vlog and get some really good video. A solid JOBY tripod where you can actually, you know, who knows, wrap this around a tree, a branch, maybe a light stand so you can get that angle. Or if you just want to be fun, it's like, hey, look at me, I'm kind of vlogging, watch me walk around and just randomly walk somewhere as it's recording me. Of course, you got the key light, so if you're in dark or bright situations, you can actually go bright, you can actually go dim, bright. You have that flexibility right here, no messing around. Of course, you have the shotgun microphone. A shotgun microphone is always needed, especially if you're doing this outside, which, again, use the dead cat to actually protect it from wind noise. But yeah, a shotgun microphone, because it's very directional. It's just gonna focus on your voice, rejecting any kind of outside noise that's coming in. And of course, I just like the entire setup as well, so you can actually rotate it from portrait or landscape, depending on how you want to set up as well. Another thing that I like about the key light is you don't only have to use this for your smartphone creator kit. You can use this on a mirrorless camera as well and get yourself some good rocking key light, maybe for, again, for you, or maybe for some product shots. If you just need some extra light, it's small enough and removable enough where you can actually just do that and attach it. So good on Beamo for actually giving us the option to actually do that. Overall, yeah, you can't beat this. 3 valuable things that you definitely need: a light, a mic, and a solid tripod with a lot of flexibility. I like how it just pressed that in and it just moves around all over the place. If I had just one request, just one mini request, it would be, I wish it came with the iPhone lightning adapter. But yeah, that's it. That's gonna have to be on you if we're using a light phone. All right, guys, I really hope this video helped you out, seeing if the Beamo Reel Creator Kit is the solution for you. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Beamo Reel Creator Kit. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.